In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove TikTok profile picture. So once you open your TikTok app, just tap on your profile at the bottom and then click on Edit Profile. So in here, just tap on Change Photo. So as you can see here, there is only 3 options: Take Photo, Select from Gallery, and New Photo. So as you can see, there is no remove button in here. So what we can do is get a copy of the default profile picture in TikTok. So open up your browser or any browsers that you have and then search default profile pictures. So in here, you just have to select any pictures and then save this one, or you can also take the screenshot of this picture. Once you're done, just go ahead and move on to your gallery and then edit this profile. You just have to crop the edges like this one and then click the check button to save. So once done, just open up your TikTok app again and then click on select from gallery. So as you can see here, I've already selected the save pictures from our browsers, and then just tap save and post and you're good to go. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.